Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive. Bringing you here today 2021 Ram 1500 Bighorn. This vehicle features a 5.7-liter V8 gasoline engine with 4-wheel drive. There have been no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX, and this vehicle has had 2 previous owners. As we get closer here to the front of this crew pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek bright white clear coat with chrome black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille as well as down around those fog lights. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather, and speaking of inclement weather, we'll come along here to the side to take a look at this vehicle's tires and wheels. This vehicle features black 22-inch Milanni wheels, and as for the tire treads, you have got a good amount of life left in them, but I'll get you those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter. So you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. You do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those mirrors, and these mirrors are heated, which will help to prevent them from fogging up as well as to help de-ice them in inclement weather. And right behind all of those wheels, you do have small mud guards, which will help to prevent not only mud and snow from cleaning up on your vehicle, but from anything that might chip away the paint like gravel or stone chips. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this pickup. Here on the inside of this vehicle, you do have a lovely diesel gray cloth upholstery on the seats for a smooth and comfortable ride. And like I had mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. And while we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection sheet, you do have green checks the entire way around. And as for your tire treads, you have 10/30 seconds in all of your tires. And as for your brake pads, you have 12/30 seconds in both the front and the rear. So you have a long ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the original owner's manual with it as well. So if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. We'll now continue on to take a look here at the rear occupant seating. As you'll be able to see back here, this vehicle can seat a total of 5 people, but if you seat 4 or less, this middle seat does fold down to become an additional armrest with 2 cup holders in it. You also have 2 more cup holders over here, a small storage space, USB and USB-C charging ports for these rear occupants, an AC outlet for their laptops, and pockets on the backs of both of those front seats. And down on the floors, you do have all-weather floor mats to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all the doors do have several storage spaces in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door and we'll continue on to take a look here at the rear of this vehicle. And as we're making our way around here to the rear of the pickup, you'll be able to see that on both sides of the bed, you've got a really sleek and rugged black decal. Alright, as we make our way around here to the rear, you'll be able to see on the bottom of the bumper, you do have a pre-installed tow bar, as well as both a 4 and 7 pin connector for a trailer hitch hookup. And all along the bumper, you also have rear proximity sensors. That's what those little dots are, and you also have them in the front. They will let you know if there's anything behind you whenever you're backing up or parking, and you also have a backup camera to go along with that as well. I will just open up the tailgate, and as you'll be able to see, it does go down by itself without slamming, as this pickup does have tailgate assist. Alright, as you'll be able to see back here, this crew pickup does have a bed that's about 5.5 feet, so you've got enough space to haul some pretty nice loads. You also have a spray-in bedliner back here to help protect the bed against any nicks or scratches those loads might give it. You also have a TrailFX soft tri-fold tonneau cover to help protect whatever you put here in the bed from the elements. And I'll just close that tailgate back up, and we'll continue around here to the driver's side. Again, that really sleek decal. And I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience, and both of them do come with remote start as well. This pickup does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks, and as for the driver's seat, you do have 10-way powered seating adjustments, meaning you can move the seat forwards, backwards, up, down, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 4-directional lumbar support. You also have a telescopic steering wheel, meaning you can move it in and out as well as up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel is just your headlight controls, dashboard backlight controls, parking brake, and then those foot pedals are adjustable as well. I'll now just get inside this pickup and turn it on for you. This vehicle is a push to start. And now that the engine's running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 46,758 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the left side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons. So with these, you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you up there. To the right of those dashboard navigation buttons, you do have your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. And then on the right side of the steering wheel are your cruise controls. We'll now take a look here to the center of this vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have a lovely touchscreen, LCD display, and you also have heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, all to help keep you comfortable in the winter. I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. It also is a wide angle lens, so you can see right up close to that bumper. Right above that display, you do have a small space and a power outlet. And beneath it, you do have manual controls for those heated seats and heated steering wheel, your climate controls. A bit farther down, you do have your tow haul mode toggle, your electronic stability mode toggle, which just helps to prevent skidding and sliding. This pickup does come with an integrated trailer braking controller, your electronic gear shift, four-wheel drive shift, and then auto start stop toggle. A bit farther down, you do have two USB and USB-C charging ports and an aux cord plug-in, two cup holders. This tray does slide forwards and backwards. You have a shallow tray up top with another USB charging port inside, and then it does open up to have access to that larger space underneath. Lastly, we'll take a look up, as this vehicle does come with a built-in garage door opener, as well as a power sliding rear window to really enjoy those sunny summer days. We'll now move on to the last section of this video. In the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and we want the purchasing process to be transparent and straightforward. We want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of this pickup, nothing is standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever, so we'll take a look here now to the outside of it. Again, we'll be looking up and down for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front of this vehicle. And here along the front of the pickup, you do have several small nicks peppered, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. This pickup is also a lighter color, so it does tend to show a little more than a darker color might. We'll come along here now to the passenger side. A few tiny nicks here, and a small scuff. Some nicks on that handle, and a scuff nearby it. A few more nicks in between those decals. And we'll come along here now to the rear. Some slight scuffing, and some more nicks peppered back here. Now often on pickups where I do tend to see several imperfections is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as you take a look here, you do have some faint wear, some scratching here, as well as some discoloration there on the spray and bed liner. I'll just close this tailgate back up. The neck there on the handle. A few more, and we'll come along here now to the driver's side again. Slight scuff. A few more nicks up here. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a white crew pickup with the ability to seat 5, a good amount of space in the bed with a spray-in bed liner, tailgate assist, a pre-installed tow bar, a spare tire, a soft tri-fold tonneau cover, cloth upholstery, heated front seats with a heated steering wheel, an integrated trailer braking controller, all-weather floor mats, Milanni wheels, a rear power sliding window, 2 keys with remote start, lumbar support, front and rear proximity sensors, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.